We will now take a look at unboxing the ZQ500 series printer. And the first comment to make is the economical use of packing materials and space. We use a high proportion of recycled materials in the packaging, and most of it is also recyclable. As we open the box, we find that we have the quick start guide, the safety guide, and the regulatory guide. We have, tucked away in the front here, the belt clip. And as we remove the printer from its packaging, we see that the battery comes pre-installed. Before the battery can be used, we remove the protective film. And our batteries come shipped in sleep mode, which greatly extends their shelf life. And this means that the battery has to be woken before it can be used, either by the application of power through the port here, from an AC adapter or DC charger if you are in the vehicle, or separately by docking the printer into a charging cradle.